Hey everyone, it is Fitz with a daily delivery. I hope you are doing well, and it's a very big weekend in sports here in Manhattan, Kansas. Kansas State is playing host to the Big 12 Outdoor Track Championships this weekend at RV Christian Track here in Manhattan, and it's going to be kind of fun if the weather cooperates. Unfortunately, it is supposed to rain most of the weekend and most of next week too, as apparently the rainy season has arrived here in the Flint Hills. It's not good timing for K-State. Not only are the Wildcats hosting this big track event, but K-State is in a very, very important series in baseball down the road in Lawrence, and they need to get all three games in and win all three games. But this track event is really cool because the Big 12, as you probably know, is one of the better track conferences in the country. And the Olympics are coming up this summer. They were delayed by the pandemic, so these events now are leading up to the Olympic trials and the NCAA championships and all the good stuff that goes with it. And they'll be sorting out who is going to represent the United States in Japan over the next few weeks. Well, it's going to be fun because it starts Friday morning with events with the decathlon, and eventually it will wrap up with that exciting 4x100 relay that's scheduled for 6:45 p.m. on Sunday. There's like 59 events actually, that will take place at the track facility here in Manhattan. And if you haven't seen it, it's actually a pretty cool little facility. Probably needs to be part of the next big non-revenue sport expansion after volleyball builds its arena, get that indoor track moved into the the current indoor facility for football once that's built, and maybe do a little expansion with the outdoor facility too. But a big opportunity for fans to get over to the track facility and see some absolutely incredible track and field all weekend long. Like I said, get ready for some rain. They will run and compete in whatever weather they can and keep pushing back. But it's a full schedule all weekend long. Make sure you check out the ticket opportunities at kstatesports.com. They will have a ticket window available, but it is the first full capacity sporting event in Manhattan since the pandemic hit.